What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's YouTube video. Before we dive into the video, I want to share with you my goal this year to hit 10,000 subscribers. So if you find today's video useful, you can help me out by just hitting that red subscribe button to get us one step closer to the goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers. I can't do it without you guys, so I'm trying to put out as much great content as I can each week for you in exchange for getting you to subscribe to the channel. So with that being said, help us reach our goal, and now let's go ahead and dive into today's video. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 different websites that you can find free stock photos to download for using to create your different Pinterest pins so that you can have free images and don't have to spend money on paid images like Adobe's images or Photoshop's paid images. So the first free website to check out is unsplash.com. When we're on unsplash.com, we can just type in the search bar. So let's just say we want, coffee on table. So we'll just type in coffee on table, hit enter, and they're going to pull up different example images that we could choose from here. So if we were doing like a business type of theme, I might pick one of like the coffee shop, or maybe this guy on his computer with coffee. So all we got to do is just click on an image though, and then it's going to have this green download free button. We could choose the size. So if we want small, medium, large, or original, we could choose which size we'd like. So I could choose large, and then once I click large, it's going to download it to my computer, and then boom, that's it. So straightforward, all you got to do is just search different types of images, click on the image, and hit that download button. You don't have to have an account, you don't have to log in. If you'd like to, you can join for free, but we just did it obviously without being logged in or having some sort of account. They didn't make us enter our email, they didn't charge us any money. So Unsplash, super simple, super easy. That's one of the best websites to get started with. The next one is pexels.com. Very similar, we just have a search bar here, so we could type in again. Let's type in coffee table and see what comes up as different options. So we've got coffee on a table with a notepad here. So let's just say this is going to be our background image for our Pinterest pin. Then we've got the green download button again with the arrow. So we can choose what size we want. So if we want a large image, I'll click on large. This time I'll hit free download, and it'll go ahead and download it to my computer. And I don't have to be logged in or sign up for an account or anything like that. Now, if we'd like to donate or share this picture on Twitter, we could do so. All right, and the third free photo website that you can download royalty-free stock photos is pixabay.com. So again, same setup. It has the search bar, so we just type in coffee table again, hit enter, and they're going to pull up the different ideas and options that they have. So like this one, for example, with the laptop and the orange plate with the coffee cup, we can go ahead and click on that free download button, choose our size, hit download, and it downloads it to our computer. So those are 3 simple websites to get started with. Again, we had unsplash.com, we had pexels.com, and then we had this pixabay.com. All right, since you made it all the way through today's YouTube video, I want to share with you an important resource I put together regarding Pinterest. So it's called Pinterest for Business. It's updated every month, so there's going to be new content coming into this resource library. You can scroll down the page here and you can read through all the sales copy, but I'm not really a salesman. All I care about doing is putting out the best videos that I can put out for you so you can help teach yourself how to use Pinterest using these training videos. So you're going to get a lot of cool worksheets, different checklists that I start you off with, and a free month of Tailwind. We're also going to go into a lot of the beginner steps starting out, but we're going to get more advanced as well, like how to use your business account to sell things on, Etsy or your website, or build an email list. I'm going to go over the Pinterest algorithm, how it works, so you can learn how to get more pins to stand out on Pinterest so that you can get more clicks to your website, to your blog, to your products. We're going to talk about the secrets to creating viral content on Pinterest. I've got a viral pin checklist you can check out here as well. And then we're going to get into the automation aspect so you can set up scheduling pins with Tailwind to save yourself a ton of time, as well as how to, manually pin still to get some benefit from manual pinning. So overall, there's all kinds of modules here inside of this course that you can use to better your Pinterest knowledge and, help your business out and get better at marketing on Pinterest. So again, we're adding videos every single month. So this library of videos is only going to get bigger and bigger. And the price is going to go up with time as well because, the more content we fill it up with, the more we're going to need to start charging. And so with that being said, go ahead and get the early bird pricing today. You can check out the link below in this YouTube video, or you can go to asknickfoy.teachable.com and just look for this Pinterest for Business course. I also have some other courses, so try to scroll through them and find the one for Pinterest.